We will check the is1 limit switch if it is functional or not. Now we will do the same procedure, same like in the is2 switch. So we will begin, sir. Now we will check the is1 switch. So one leg of the tester we will put into the neutral, and the other leg of the tester we will put into the terminal to find the main supply. This three terminal is for the is1 switch, either main supply. This three line is for the is1 switch, either supply, close and open. Now we will find the main supply. Now there is a 220 volts. Other side also has 220 volts. In the middle there is no 220 volts. But once we will trigger the switch at there is 220 volt supply. Means this is one terminal is okay. This is one terminal is okay. But this is two terminal is not okay, as per our first video. Okay? Ayan, sir.